gas, but you know what?
Ooh, oh shit.
I also just dropped 200,000 credits on this book for some stupid reason. Oh, we're in ocean? Yeah, I fucked up.
I have never had a bad game in Destroyers on the ocean map.
You're playing an American destroyer, you're going to be spotted before your torps can do anything. All I can say is duck, dip, dive, dodge, and weave. Is that what the sequence was? I don't know.
If you can dodge a
Just
wrench,
keep fucking
you
moving.
can dodge a ball.
If they can hit this tiny ass boat, they deserve to sink me.
Well, this is gonna be a low tier match, so most people are gonna be meeting in the middle.
Yeah. Great. Just say out on open channels that you're not very good. You've made yourself a target.
If he's not very good, I'm not going to shoot at him first.
What do you mean I'll shoot at him? Ognivoy.
Oh, yeah, boy.
Makes me want to drink some vodka.
It sounds like, you know how like you make a recording and then you play it backwards. That's what it sounds like.
That's how a lot of Russians sound.
Right.
Exactly. I was about to say, if you're drunk, a lot of shit sounds backwards. Marblehead, what is he doing in here?
The tier
Didn't know this
5.
was a tier 5 game. Oh yeah,
We're on
there's lots of tier 5.
fours. Yeah.
There's a Murmansk? Oh shit. I'm done. Hope he didn't come this way. And he did.
Oh, there's a Nicholas here.
Should I noob out and start launching torps right now?
Yeah, right now. They'll definitely make it that far. Wish I knew what my surface detection was. Oh, right there.
It's 7.1, I think.
Oh, it wasn't aware this cat had the detection thing.
Got torp bombers coming your way.
User joined your channel.
Hey, Commodore.
One. And good evening, Commodore.
Hello, Nicholas.
Problem solved, sir. All stations, reporting the position of a strategic target.
Congo's got balls, I'll tell you that much.
Big balls or little balls?
Getting smaller by the second.
Oh.
Down to about 8,000 balls.
Enemy heavily damaged.
8,000 balls, man.
It's a lot of balls.
Yeah, there's
No
still
kidding.
a lot of balls.
Those balls are
But I
getting-
need to ask that
those balls
bar.
are
So.
getting wet now. Do I do it? Do I charge this Wyoming? Fuck it, you win some, you lose some, right? Charge.
God damn it. Asshole just stole my kill.
Problem solved, sir.
It's alright, I'm going Wyoming hunting.
Enemy cruiser sunk.
There's Nicholas there.
Damn it, tough. Well, you died, so there.
I nuked both of those Wyomings, though.
Ben's getting ballsy with that destroyer, man.
All forces
You got him, man.
requesting
You got
cover
him. Launch them torps and you got him.
Ouch. Ouch.
Don't die.
Remember, proxy detection range is 2 kilometers. You got more torps?
Yeah, they're up in a minute.
Omaha? Or...
Oh.
Nothing.
It was a good run. We got 2 Wyoming, so...
How many shell hits did you get?
34, 2 fires.
I got 55 hits and only 1
Able to
fire.
help you.
I didn't actually shoot at any of those Wyomings. I was, all
I was
my
like-
hits were from, what was it, Congo?
I was in a gun battle with the DD, and fucking St. Louis stole it from me on the last shot. Didn't do any damage on it, except for the last shot. I was like, that little prick.
Nice.
Fucking St. Louis. Then I fired at the Wyoming sun while I was approaching it, hoping for a fire, didn't get nothing. My total damage this game, pretty low, only 28,000. What's happening, Tyler?
Scout launched.
Hey, how are you guys?
Fantastic.
Chief, you got torpedo bombers coming in and a...
Yeah, no. Yeah, they're ahead of me now.
Yeah, bud.
Wow, that was a fantastic torpedo drop.
You're gonna get hit by all of them.
Holy shit, what are you doing?
Whoa, how'd you dodge him?
Oh man, I got lucky, guys. I was so lucky.
I can't believe how much skill you possess, Chief. I mean, you
It's
truly
not
make
skill,
this.
it's luck.
Enemy severely damaged.
Oh, that was closer, but you
He
still
wanted
had
your
it.
booty. Why didn't you give it to him?
I don't know.
You got a thing against the Nicholas or something? What is this guy doing? He's like, God damn it. Please kill him.
Trying to.
There's no reason for you not to, really. I mean, your
Trying
secondaries
to.
should kill him. You gotta Kuma off your port bow.
Oh shit! What the fuck?
Let your secondaries focus on the Nicholas and bring your battery
Yeah,
around.
that's what I'm doing. Turn.
Fantastic.
Let's just launch towards us, probably.
Yeah, just keep maneuvering, you're fine.
Actually, you might be best just going in a straight line.
No kidding. Oh, that's funny. Well, there's
Come
one
on,
set of
turn
torpedoes.
guns. Turn guns. Here you go. Where you going?
God damn it, Chief.
Oh, I missed. Oh, I got him.
Sunken enemy destroyer.
Dude!
Stupid. The torpedo skill, these people.
Oh, I'm gonna hit here. Okay. There you go. Finally, he gets me.
And you lived!
Get on water quickly.
He is pissed like a motherfucker right now.
No.
Problem solved.
Now
sir.
you're gonna talk shit. I heard the click. You're an ass. He's like, but I had it right in the gray thing. Each time I put it right in the middle of that little gray aiming area. I don't know what happened.
I'm not sure you even did that.
It's kind of funny, the destroyer, that I was shooting at with my guns instead of launching torps at. I kept on weaving back and forth at him, so in his final last-ditch effort, he shot one set of torpedoes 45 degrees forward and one set 45 backwards, praying I just turn into one of them. I was like, really? I'm right in front of you. It was funny as shit. He like just threw a V in the water with torpedoes. So I was like, that's awesome. He learned his lesson.
Are you sure he learned his lesson though? Did he really?
Apparently this guy calling out E13 and G13 doesn't. I just said doesn't. I'm a retard. Come on, Chief, get your fourth. You got range.
The max range. The dispersion's gonna be so bad.
Yep. I'm saying you got range over the other boats. These torpedoes will probably hit home though. There's fighters aiming at them though. I don't know. I would have held off my torpedo bombers and let my fighters destroy his fighters. Still did pretty decent.
Was that you or the carrier?
That was carrier. Those are torpedo bombers.
Aircraft carrier blown up.
Left kill 4. Oh, it is. Hey, look! I unlocked the bonus ships today.
Nice.
Sweet.
Hey, look.
Top
We're
3.
back in the
Top 3 again. Yeah.
Just shuffle positions.
Yep.